What is ethical hacking? Ever wonder how hackers break into systems and how the good guys stop them? That's ethical hacking. And in this video, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and how you can get started. So, what do they actually do? Ethical hackers perform tests on networks, web apps, and devices. They use tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and Burp Suite. They look for vulnerabilities like SQL injection, misconfiguration, and insecure APIs. And they can report what they find so the company can fix it. Let's talk legality. Yes, ethical hacking is completely legal, with permission. You can't just start hacking websites. That's illegal and you can get arrested. Professional ethical hackers follow contracts, responsible disclosure guidelines, and laws like the CFAA in the US. That's what separates them from cybercriminals. If this sounds interesting, here's how to get started. Try tryhackme or HackByte for hands-on labs. Learn Linux basics, networking, and web security. Build your own lab using VirtualBox or VMware. Join communities on Reddit or Discord to stay motivated. You don't need a degree, just curiosity and consistency. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to HackByte for more hacking tutorials, tool breakdowns, and walkthroughs. Remember, stay sharp, stay curious, stay ethical.